Hello my dear children, today we are going to revise first chapter how computer works. So let's see. Before start we recall computer the smart machine. A computer is a smart machine. Computer runs on electricity like other machine. It makes our work easier. However, it is different from other machines. Most machines can do only one type of job. They have a fixed function. For example, a car can only take you from one place to another. But a computer is different. Why it is different? Because it can do many different kind of job. It can help you to type a letter, draw and paint, listen to music, play games, work out, maths and much more. So, computer is different from other machines. You can tell a computer what you want it to do for you. That's why a computer is called a smart machine. Why computer is called smart machine? Because it can do many kind of work like type a letter, draw and paint, listening music, play games, work out on maths and much more. Then after parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts. How many? Four main parts. They are first one CPU, second one monitor, third one keyboard and fourth one mouse. Let's see first one, the central processing unit. It means CPU, which is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. Second, the monitor, which show all the work that you do on the computer. Which part show all the work that we do on computer? It is monitor. Next one, the keyboard, which is used to type letters, numbers and special symbol. Which part used to type letters, numbers and special symbols? It is keyboard. Fourth one, the mouse, which is the pointing device used to select and open item. Which one is pointing device? The mouse is pointing device. Together they make up a computer system. Most computers have some other parts also. There are printer to print text and pictures. Then after speakers, headphones and earphones to listen music and other sounds. And next one is microphone to speak and record sounds. So here we can see images of some parts of computer. First one is speakers. Second one monitor. Third one CPU. Fourth one microphone. Next headphone, earphones, keyboard, mouse and printer. They all are parts of computer. Next we learn about central processing unit. It means CPU. The central processing unit or the CPU is the brain of a computer. It stores all the data and instruction given to the computer. It works on the data and instruction to give the results. It stores the results. CPU can store all data and instruction given to the computer and it work on data and instruction to give a result. It also control all the parts of computer. Who control all the parts of computer? CPU control all the parts of computer. To perform this function, the CPU has three main units. How many units? Three main units. First one memory unit. Second one ALU, it means arithmetic and logic unit. And third one is control unit. Let's see first one, the memory unit store the data and instruction. Memory unit store the data and instruction. Second one, the arithmetic and logic unit. It means ALU. ALU process the data and instruction It does arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also does other operations such as comparisons. Arithmetic and logic unit used for calculation and memory unit used for stored data and instruction. Last one is control unit. Control unit manage the working of all the parts of computer. Control unit manage the working of all the parts of the computer. Next, let's see workout. Match the part of a computer with its function. CPU. So CPU is brain of the computer. Next one, ALU. ALU perform arithmetic operations. Next, keyboard. Keyboard is used to type. Then after, CU. It means control unit. Control unit control the parts of computer. So CU is for control. Next one, memory unit. Memory unit is used to store data and instruction. Then after, how computer works. Most activities in our everyday lives can be broken down into 3 steps. There are input, process and output. It called IPO cycle. So let's learn IPO cycle. In a baking cake, flour, sugar, butter and eggs are the input. Baking is the process and cake is the output. Same, if we want to sharpen our pencil, then sharpener and pencil are input. Sharpening is the process and sharp pencil is our output. Similarly, here baking a cake. To baking a cake, flour, sugar, butter and eggs are input. Then we process for baking and output is our cake. A computer to work according to the IPO cycle. Similarly, कंप्यूटर भी IPO साइकिल के फॉलो करके वर्क करता है. You enter data and instruction into a computer. They are input. The CPU work on the data according to the instruction. This is called processing. And last one, the result that the computer gives you is the output. It means कि हम हमारे कंप्यूटर में जो डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन हमारे कंप्यूटर को अप्लाई करते हैं, इनपुट करते हैं, वो है हमारा इनपुट. देन आफ्टर CPU उस डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करके उन पर जो प्रोसेस करता है उसको हम कहते हैं प्रोसेसिंग. एंड लास्ट वन, जो हमारा रिजल्ट हमें कंप्यूटर देता है वो है हमारा आउटपुट. इट मीन्स कंप्यूटर also work on IPO cycle. Then after, next one we learn in next video.